Okay, the second nice. Thank you, Pastor. Hello, Pastor. We'll unboxing your package this coming Monday during our CPAC Foundation Day. Hello everyone. Ano pagyapon? Dami ka ng damo. After 5 minutes, ma-alarm na dire. Dapat, after pag-alarm, apat lang. Okay, another 5 minutes naman. Hasta nga maubos. Because we want everybody to avail. To invite all our volunteers. For saving my soul. Thank you, Lord, for making me whole. Puntayan na itong ating next. Okay lang, pagustuhin na lang. Tapos na, hindi na magsunod. Nakatapos na, lahat lang kamo matapos na lang ha, hindi lang kita magkasantanay. So, pagkakali na ka po, nila-invite, hindi ka mo na ako nakakita. Ako makita ka, ano kay, di na hindi kayo maaari ka niyo. Ang tulikod, atras na rin. Time start now. Central Philippine Adventist College from the Office of Student Services. I would like to thank the Sunhan EO Overseas Mission Team and also Moksanim Deso Kim for extending to us your gifts or list. 200 students receive the gifts. First, we give to the working students, and then we also share to the regular students here at CPAC, and some faculty also join the program, and they are so thankful with this ministry. May you well continue your ministry, and may the Lord will bless you. Kansamnida, thank you very much.